Hello, I'm Marcie Billen with Keller, Mulinix and Team Realty here in Norman, Oklahoma, and I have a virtual open house to share with you today. So this house is in South Norman. So it is actually really close to the entrance of Lake Thunderbird. So you'll find the address in the description below along with the full listing, so the link to that full listing. So I'm actually going to cover the shop on this house first. And the reason I'm going to do that is because the shop is, a few times the size of the house in this instance. And it may be a great opportunity for someone who's looking to purchase a property who needs to have a big place to work, maybe to weld or do woodworking or whatever you're building. This might be the house and the property for you. So this house is on 2.45 acres. The road to it is a little bit rocky, a little bit rough, but it is in a great location and you still have fairly easy access to get into town. So let's take a look at what this shop looks like, and you'll also see the house in this first little part here. So here you can see the shop and then where the cute little yellow house is. So the shop sits back behind. This is a 73-foot by 30-foot shop. I'm going to stop this right here. Okay, so what are we looking at? This big piece of steel that comes out of the shop, first of all, is reclaimed from a very cool building in Oklahoma City. And this is actually done so you could actually pour concrete under the steel beam that juts out here, and then actually build a deck or this kind of like cool little balcony up above it. So it's all stamped and ready to go to build those things. And then another cool little feature is this window here next to the door, the one with the red outline. That's actually off of a ship. All right, so let's continue on through this shop. So the white and blue piece, that is a reclaimed piece of metal as well. Really cool. Once you get up to it, you'll have to check it out. Okay, so walking through here, this concrete slab, this is a 6-inch concrete slab. The doors on the shop are 10 feet high and 12 feet wide. So what we're looking at here is a little office space, and there's a nice little half bath here in the shop as well. Up above the shop is actually some storage. It's a 16 by 8 area, so it's like a loft. All of this stuff will, of course, be gone from the shop. This is the owner's supplies that he uses. So the walls of this are 13 foot, and then the middle is around 14 foot. All right, heading out the back of the shop here, you can see a little bit of the land, where the tree line is, and where everything sits. All right, so this little house shed we're looking at right here. So this was actually set up as a gym. It does have electricity to it. It does have full mirrors on the inside as well. So here's the back of the little house. And it has a cute little yard. Of course, we've got quite a few trees, but a great clearing. What you're looking at here is the front entrance of the property. So you can see a couple of cars down there, right? And then on the left, you can see the septic system, and that's where the RV hookup is as well. So this is a brand new aerobic system. And then there's also a well, of course, for water. And that well is set up with a new pump also. Actually has this cute little waterfall in front of the house as well. All right, walking up to the house. So this house is 895 square feet. It is a 3-bed, 1-bath, and it has vinyl flooring throughout. So we're going to take a look at that. And this is on a crawl space as well. So it's just a cute little bungalow. Great front porch here and a decent back porch. And of course, you have the option to build a porch on the shop also. Here's the living room. And then you'll see 2 bedrooms down this hall along with the bathroom right here. So 1 bedroom does have a closet, and then the second. All right, here's the bathroom. It does have a tub and a shower. All right, walking through the kitchen, those are new appliances, and then you have a dining room behind, and then on your left, as you'd walk through the dining room, is the owner's suite, and then you have the utility room on the right. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can find my information. It is in the description below. I will talk to you soon.